we will be studying various classes of subphylum Vertebra. Subphylum Vertebra, in this phylum, organisms have a unique property, that is, notochord, which is present at embryonic stage, is replaced by cartilaginous or bony vertebral column as they develop, and in this subphyla organisms do have heart, which is 2, 3 or 4 chambered, and kidneys for osmoregulation and excretion. First class is Cyclostomata. Ectoparasites which live on fishes comes under this class. They have 16 to 15 gill slits for respiration. Their circulation system is of closed type. Next class is Chondricythis. In this class, marine organisms having cartilaginous skeleton comes. Notochord is present throughout the life. They have two chambered heart and sexes are separate. They show internal fertilization and are viviparous in nature. A unique property to this class is presence of electric organs, as in case of torpedo or poisonous sting, which enables these organisms to give protection towards various other organisms. Next class is Osteicythis. In this class, marine plus freshwater bony fishes comes. 4 pair of gills are present for respiration. Air bladder is present to maintain the buoyancy. 2 chambered heart is present. Sexes are separate. External fertilization is observed and they are oviparous in nature. Now these three you see, they are aquatic. Next class is Amphibia. Amphibia means, amphi means duo and bio means life. Organisms which can survive in both land as well as water. They have 2 pair of limbs. These pair of limbs is modified for the swimming purposes. They have eyelids. They have got respiratory organs and they can perform their respiration through gills, lungs and skin. Heart is 3 chambered. Sexes are separate and external fertilization is seen. They are oviparous in nature. Now this is the connectivity. Here you see the 3 classes from aquatic. This is the class which can survive on both, and the next 3 class, which is Reptilia, Aves and Mammalia, are the one which survives only on land. Next class is Reptilia. The creeping and crawling property of the organisms of this class give it name Reptilia. There is no external ear opening in these organisms. 2 pair of limbs, if present, are there. Heart is 3 chambered, but the exception is crocodile having 4 chambered heart. Sexes are separate, fertilization is internal and they are oviparous in nature. Next class is Aves. Aves, birds comes under this class. They have this unique property that they have wings and they can fly, except for flightless birds like ostrich. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Heart is 4 chambered. They are warm blooded. They respire through lungs. Sexes are separate and they show internal fertilization. Next class is Mammalia. The unique property of this class is presence of mammary glands, useful for the production of milk for the nourishment of young ones. 2 pair of limbs are present for standing, walking, swimming. Teeth of different types are present in the jaw. Respiration is through lungs. Sexes are separate and internal fertilization is observed. While giving out the phylums or classes, classify them on the common features which can differentiate among different phylums and classes, but do not forget to mention the unique property which is specific to that phylum or that class.